Want to study in Australia for free? The Australia Award Scholarships are fully funded opportunities for students from developing countries, mainly in the Indo-Pacific region. These scholarships are designed to help you pursue higher education in Australia while developing the skills and knowledge needed to make a positive impact in your home country. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know to apply and succeed. The Australia Award Scholarships are long-term awards administered by the Australian Government's Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade. They allow students to undertake full-time undergraduate or postgraduate study at Australian universities or TAFE institutions. The main goal of these scholarships is to equip you with the knowledge and experience to drive change and contribute to development in your country after graduation. So, what does the scholarship cover? First, it provides full tuition fees for your course, along with a return airfare to and from Australia. Scholars also receive an establishment allowance to help with accommodation and study materials, as well as a fortnightly contribution to living expenses. Health insurance through Overseas Student Health Cover, OSHC, is provided for the entire scholarship, and students participate in an introductory academic program to prepare for life and study in Australia. If needed, pre-course English training is available, and extra academic support or fieldwork opportunities may be offered for research students. These generous benefits make Australia Awards scholarships one of the most rewarding opportunities for students from developing countries. There are a few key conditions to keep in mind. Scholars must sign a contract with the Australian government, and after completing the scholarship, they are required to return to their home country for at least 2 years. This ensures that the skills and knowledge gained during the scholarship contribute to the development of the scholar's home country. Applying is straightforward but requires careful preparation. Start by checking your eligibility and deadlines for your country on the Australia Awards website, and make sure to read the Australia Awards Scholarship Policy Handbook thoroughly. Most countries allow online applications, though some may require a hard copy submission. It's important to apply early to avoid last-minute issues, and ensure that all supporting documents, including transcripts, essays, and references, are ready before submission. Studying in Australia can be a life-changing experience, and the Australia Awards Scholarship makes it possible without the burden of tuition fees. Take the first step toward an incredible educational journey by applying today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more scholarship updates and tips.